look, yay, I'm back and I'm making a dressing today and it's got a surprise ingredient. I'm putting in some spring onions. Normally I like to put red onion because then I get a pink salad dressing. Herbs for calcium, and my favorite herb at the moment in dressing is tarragon. So putting that in, woo! And then I'm going to make it French style, and I'm putting some big teaspoons of Dijon mustard in, yum. And then another teaspoon of salt, so maybe a half teaspoon of salt there, and a quarter cup of olive oil, yummy extra virgin olive oil, organic of course, and then the juice of a big juicy lemon. And then the secret ingredient is aloe vera. Yay! So in my newsletter last week I talked about, so I've cut it down the center and then I've cut each end there so I can get it like that. Whoops, I was too quick. Got the head shaking over there. So I've cut it down the center like that. Oops-a-daisy, Mac, my videographer, pressed pause, and so I was talking away to myself there. So I'd already started scraping out the aloe vera, so I'm scraping this out. And what I was saying about my newsletter, as I talked last week about how good aloe vera is for vaginal atrophy. Vaginal atrophy is what we get when we're perimenopause or menopause and even post-menopause, and it makes sex painful. Did you hear me? It makes sex painful. Okay, so I'm taking the aloe vera out. So aloe vera, you can just eat it, but I don't actually like the flavor of it so much, and it's a bit slimy. Or you can put it in your water, blend it up with some water. Oh, look at that, that's coming out in a nice big piece. That's what you really want. Or you can put it with orange juice. But what is beautiful is you can also put it with your salad dressing. And why that's great is everyone gets to have it, because aloe vera isn't just good for vaginal atrophy, it's a great antioxidant. It's got polyphenols, so it's antibacterial, so it prevents the body from getting infection, and it's good for dental health, so it has been shown to reduce dental plaque. It's good for regulating the bowels, and it's great for the skin. So I'm just scraping all of that out. It's also good for weight loss, and of course it's great for hydration, and it's super sticky. Ooh, look at that. Okay, oh, where's my cloth? Okay, dokie. And then we're just going to blitz that up, and we're going to have a nice thick salad dressing. So you don't need any xanthan gum or anything, because you've got aloe vera, and you can't really taste it through the dressing, and it's delicious. So wait for the noise and the dance. Oh, there's a little bit of mustard stuck up there, so I'll just give it a good shake. And then I'll do what I see other people doing on film, which I never do because I always get in a mess. I'm going to give it a taste. That's delicious. So please look at the notes to get the recipe, and share, like, subscribe, do all the good things so that I can get more followers.